Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to export Google Workspace licenses with xFanatical Foresight. Tracking user activity across Google Workspace, archiving, Google Voice, and Gemini licenses provides significant value for organizations of all sizes. It helps reduce licensing costs, ensures IT compliance, and supports audit readiness. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With xFanatical Foresight, IT teams gain streamlined access to detailed reports on user license assignments, enabling smarter license management and delivering actionable insights for executive decision-making. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Export Google Workspace User Licenses template and click it. In the Export Google Workspace User Licenses page, click Copy Rule. For the first time, use of the template rule and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Export Google Workspace User Licenses will display. Click Next. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how to export Google Workspace licenses using xFanatical Foresight. Go to the Rules page of xFanatical Foresight. Find the copy of Export Google Workspace User Licenses rule and click the play button. Wait momentarily and you will get a notification on the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Rule History screen, check the number of user license assignments and click on Click Here to download the exported CSV file of license assignments. Now check the CSV file to analyze, manage, and check your license assignments. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.